Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Monarch Money. Review my usage experience. Monarch Money is a personal finance management app designed to help users track their spending, budget effectively, and gain a clearer picture of their overall financial health. It's aimed at individuals and families looking to take control of their finances, from budgeting newbies to seasoned savers. Key features include automatic transaction importing, budgeting tools, net worth tracking, and financial goal setting. Their website provides more details about their various plans and features. Monarch Money emphasizes ease of use and secure data handling. They highlight automated features that minimize manual entry and offer various visualizations to make understanding your finances simpler. While I couldn't find specific comparisons to competitors on their site, the general focus seems to be on providing a comprehensive, all-in-one platform. They offer both free and paid versions of the app, and you can check their website for details on pricing and features included in each tier. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Monarch Money. Getting started was a breeze. Connecting my bank accounts and credit cards was straightforward and secure. The initial setup wizard walked me through categorizing my transactions and setting up a budget, which was really helpful. Navigating the interface is intuitive. The dashboard gives a clear overview of your spending, upcoming bills, and net worth. I particularly appreciated the detailed breakdown of my spending by category, visualized with easy-to-understand charts. For example, I could quickly see how much I spent on groceries last month compared to previous months. The budgeting feature is robust, allowing you to set budgets for different categories and track your progress throughout the month. I even used the goal-setting feature to plan for a down payment on a car. The performance of the app has been excellent so far. It's quick and responsive, and I haven't encountered any bugs or glitches. I did have a quick question about a specific transaction, and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was and the visual representation of my spending habits. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated net worth tracking, which saved me a lot of time and effort. One minor drawback was the limited number of integrations with smaller banks and credit unions. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Monarch Money. It's a powerful and user-friendly personal finance tool that has definitely helped me gain a better understanding of my finances. That's my overview of Monarch Money. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.